Happy morning. Now today we are continue with one more electrochemical cell. Okay. Now yesterday where we are stopping, there only we will begin. Okay. Now once again I will repeat that how to draw. Take two beakers. Take two beakers. Okay. Take two different solutions. Take two different solutions. Put the salt bridge U shape. U shape I am taking, upside down I am taking. U shape, salt bridge. Already already it is made up with, it is fixed with K2SO, KNO3 or any one solution. For example, K2SO4. Inside K2SO4 is there already. Either agar-agar powder or KNO3 or KClO3 already filled with solution. Okay. Now here in this solution one electrode. In this solution one electrode. Maximum most of the times we have to take negative and positive, and this one give to ammeter. Okay. And this cell onwards, how much of electricity is transferring from year to year or year to year, whatever it. How much of electricity is transferring for binding purpose. This is one connection, and one more connection also we will give, that is external. This is one more connection. This is not there. Yes. Take. This is the one line. This is the second line. This is the external. External means from battery onwards it is coming. This is battery. Outside battery onwards. Okay. See. External onwards how much we are sending, and inside of the cell how much is producing. That we have to calculate it in this one. Okay. Now let's take, this is anode, it's cathode, the salt bridge, and zinc rod you take here, Zn rod, and here is Cu rod you take, and Zn SO4 you take, and Cu SO4 solution you take. Okay. This is the finding purpose process electrochemical cell we have to take like this. Okay. Now here after one by one point we have to write. One by one point we have to write. Now here point number one. Points are very, very important. These points are enough. In this diagram, zinc electrode means this. Zinc electrode at which oxidation takes place. Zn takes place oxidation at anode. At anode, zinc, it's taking oxidation. Next, Cu takes place reduction at cathode. Now AO oxidation, anode oxidation, RC reduction at cathode. AORC. Last time what I said, that only. Last time what I said, same as it is. Electrolysis, what I told, that only this. Zinc takes place oxidation at anode, copper takes place reduction at cathode. This is the first point. Okay, AORC. Anode oxidation, reduction at cathode. Okay? Yeah. Since I will read the point, then I will explain the point. Okay? Since electrons are produced at the zinc electrode, this electrode is rich electrons to push the electrons into external circuit, hence designed to negative pole side. See here, yesterday, once we will look at the yesterday's diagram. Yeah. Zinc slowly decreases, not this, not this, this one, this one. Okay, zinc rod, it is excess amount of electrons here in this, excess amount of electrons here. This diagram, whatever I drawn diagram, both are same only, but here external circuit I am not showing, that's it. Okay, external circuit I am not showing. So here zinc electrode will rich of electrons. Here electrons are very rich, more number of electrons are there, and push the electrons into external circuit. It designed as a negative pole. It is designed for negative pole. And other side, it is positive pole. It is attract the electrons. It is attract the electrons, means pulls the electrons from external circuit. Act as a positive pole. Okay? Yeah. Point number 2. Point number 2. What it is? Zinc electrode rich of electrons push the electrons to external circuit okay, it is pushing the electrons to external circuit. Next, copper electrode, write the point here. Copper electrode, less of electrons, pulls the electrons, acts as a positive pole, and this is negative pole. Positive pole and negative pole. Now third and important point is the electrons flow from zinc to copper. The electrons flow from zinc to copper means negative pole to positive pole, negative pole to positive pole, in the external circuit. However, this current is said. However, this current the current is said to flow in the opposite direction. Quite opposite is going, amma. Quite opposite is going. Okay. Electrons where to where going? Now let's take. Here too, electrons are going like this. Electrons are going like this. Now the time current is going quite opposite way. Current diagram you take. Okay. Next, after some time what will happen? This will decrease this weight, it will increase the weight. Take fourth point. After some time, zinc electrode decrease the weight and copper electrode increase the weight. After some time, zinc electrode decrease its weight and copper electrode increase its weights. Fourth point. Zn electrode decreases its weight, okay, and copper electrode increases its weight. So what is happening here? Okay, now oxidation in zinc into ions produces Zn plus ions are left in a beaker. First point. See, your oxidation is going on, right? So your oxidation going means Zn, what is happening here? Zn produces Zn plus 2. Means 2 electrons are leaving. Zinc Zn plus 2 and 2 electrons are leaving, and Zn plus 2 coming in this solution. Zn plus 2 is coming into the solution, right? Now here what is going on here? This copper plus 2 is taking 2 electrons and forming a copper. Here zinc leaving electrons, these electrons are coming like this, and a copper taking electrons and become a copper. So that's why here decreasing, that's why it is here increasing. It is gaining of electrons, here losing of electrons. Losing of electrons is called oxidation, gaining of electrons is called reduction. This is the point, very very important point. Here losing electrons, see electrons going, flowing. Now we are gaining, reduction is going on. You are losing electrons, oxidation is going on. This is the reaction, Got it? Yeah. Here zinc plus 2 is coming to the solution. Here copper is gaining, right? So that time SO4 minus 2 is coming into the solution. Zn plus 2 is coming to the solution. Here SO4 2 minus coming to the solution. Because of copper is gaining here. Here Zn plus 2 is coming inside. Okay? So that time what is happening? Salt bridge, what it will do? It is exchanging the ions. SO4 minus 2 will come this side. It becomes ZnSO4. SO4 negative one, positive one combinedly it will come this side. Otherwise here K2SO4 2K plus SO4 minus 2 it will supply. Now 2Ks will go this side, one SO4 minus will come to this side. It is supplying the ions. 2K will come this side. Okay, K2SO4 will come. SO4 minus 2 will come this side. ZnSO4, again ZnSO4 solution will come here. So after some time here solution will increases. ZnSO4 solution will increases. Here decrease the electronic rod. Got it? I hope you understood. Just once read again that points, you will understand easily. Okay? Yes. Now here electrons are going quite opposite, power is also going on. Now here evidently weight of copper rod will increases while that zinc rod will decreases, means the cell is working. The cell is working. The cell is working means the proof is what? The weight of copper rod will increases while that zinc rod will decreases. Now zinc rod, the starting is like this. After some time it become, for example, till here we dipped the solution, for example. Till here we dipped the solution. Like this it will happen. Actually it is there like this. But this was slowly dissolved. Zinc is dissolved fully. It is donating electrons and it become Zn plus 2 ion. Okay, it is Zn plus 2 ion. This is Zn, zinc plus 2. Means this one is losing electrons. This one is losing the electrons. Got it? This is the function of electrochemical cell. Now here why we are taking external and internal? What is the use with that one? That is actually now fifth point. External onwards some amount of electricity we are sending. For example, little bit external power we are sending. For example, E equal to external cell is less than E cell. Means whatever producing in E cell means till ear to ear is E cell. From ear to ear downside is called E cell. This is external cell. Okay, external cell energy and E cell energy we have to compare it. So for example, E cell is more producing. Okay, for example, more producing, that time we have to show the symbol is like this. The arrow mark is to little bit turn to left side. Okay, next, for example, E external equal to E cell. Cell and external power both are equal. That time we have to show the ammeter is exactly straight. So now third, E external is greater than E cell, we have to show to right side. Ammeter we have to show right side. Okay, got it? So now these electrons will flow from copper to zinc, current flow from zinc to copper, that we know. So here both cells means both beakers containing redox reaction is going on. So this is commonly, it's called, sixth point, it's commonly called Daniell shell. Why we are calling Daniell shell? Now the electrons flow from zinc to copper. Current flow from copper to zinc is called Daniell cell. It's called Daniell cell. This is a called electrochemical cell. Okay. Now see guys, a small correction is there. Daniell cell. Sixth point. Once again I am taking. Right. Small correction. If we are taking whatever we are explaining, that everything is called electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell. But in the here opposite direction is going, right? Opposite direction. External is more and E cell. This is for common. This is common for electrochemical cell. This is electrochemical cell for this one. For this is quite opposite direction is going on, right? This is quite opposite direction. That is so. Seventh point. That is electrochemical cell is over. Now the cell. Now because the electrical energy is being used for otherwise non-spontaneous. Now for example electrons. Electrons flow from copper to, when it is possible, this is external energy is higher than E cell. Higher than E cell, that time it is possible. Copper to zinc and current flow from zinc to copper with zinc to copper with redox reaction, and redox reaction is Cu gets loses of electrons and zinc gets gaining of electrons is called Daniell cell. Same concept, everything is same, but opposite direction is going on, that's it. Opposite direction is going on, that's it. So copper to zinc current is copper to zinc, and current will flow from zinc to copper. Further zinc will be deposited zinc electrode, and copper will dissolve from the copper electrode. The cell based above the redox reaction is commonly called Daniell cell. Amma, if you have a confusion, I know, just once look at that this diagram is there in our book, right? There once you read that statement, you will clarify. Simple Amma, don't confuse more. Okay? So actually one more Daniell cell I will explain. Let's take Daniell cell. Many cells are there, Amma. You know, battery, we can observe many things. Now let's take Daniell cell. See, actually why they kept Daniell cell? Copper pot with copper electrode only Daniell cell. Right or not? So, that base, see, positive they taken copper vessel. This fully copper vessel. Around totally copper vessel, And what solution they are taken? Copper sulfate solution they taken. See, copper vessel and copper solution they taken. That's why it is called Daniell cell. Sorry, in the between zinc also there. Yes, zinc also there in Daniell cell. Okay. Now copper vessel fully. Copper sulfate solution. This is the zinc rod. This is the zinc rod. And in zinc rod and copper sulfate solution between, and some more zinc sulfate solution is there. Zinc sulfate solution is there. At anode, what is going on? Oxidation is going on. At cathode, reduction is going on. Same SO force will transfer this in this between. That time electricity is transferred. That time this electricity we are using for in the TV remote or somewhere we are using this one. That time electrons will transfer. That time only electrons will transfer. So when zinc rod is, we can see this, right? Batteries, everyday battery, for example, you will look at everyday battery. Okay, in everyday battery that one small dot is there upside this. So when we are putting in remote only, it is that electrons will transfer. Till now that electrons it won't transfer. Yes or not? Yes, it is the zinc one and outside copper vessel fully. That is at bottom side what we can see, that is positive. Front side is called negative. This is the Daniell cell. Okay. Here what is going on here? Here oxidation is going on, here reduction is going on. Oxidation going on, reduction going on. Both oxidation and reduction, in the between that electrons are transferred outside. This is called a Daniell cell. Daniell cell. And this is electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell. So for example, electrons are transferring this side, the current will transfer this side. Salt bridge will distribute the solutions, and this is showing for direction of flow of current. Now this is external is less than E cell, this symbol. External and E cell both are same, and external greater than E cell, this symbol. Okay, this is. Now look at it here. Now the electrons flow from the copper to zinc. In the current will flow from the zinc to copper. Further zinc will be deposited zinc electrode, and copper will be dissolved from the copper electrode. The cell based on the above redox reaction is commonly called Daniell cell. Okay. Now from here to here you take the definition. Got it? Got it? Now this is the Daniell cell, electrochemical cell. Now next side heading, redox reaction between redox reaction between copper and silver nitrate. Copper and silver nitrate, one important reaction. Redox reaction between copper and silver nitrate. Put the side heading, everyone. Put the side heading. This is electrochemical cell based on redox reaction. Electrochemical cell based on redox reaction. Cu plus AgNO3. Cu plus AgNO3 gives CuNO3 2 plus Ag, 2Ag. Got it? This is the reaction. This is the reaction. Now where to where what is going on? Now we have to, first we will discuss in diagram, then after we will discuss different time. Look at this. First two beakers we taken. One beaker. One beaker copper rod we kept. One silver rod we kept. Ag copper. Solutions you take. Copper nitrate solution and this one AgNO3 solution we take. AgNO3 solution, copper nitrate solution. Silver nitrate, copper nitrate. Okay. So here salt bridge is made up of with KNO3. KNO3 we taken. Okay, NO3 is there, that's why KNO3 we taken. Salt bridge. Right. Now this is negative one, this is positive one. The electrons are flowing from negative to positive. Because of negative at anode is what is going on? AO, RC. AO means what? At anode oxidation is going on. Yes, losing electrons means oxidation is going on. So Cu releasing electrons, oxidation. Cu releasing the electrons, oxidation. And Ag is attracting the electrons, it is gaining the electrons is called reduction. Here oxidation is going on, here reduction is going on. The movement of cations and anions. So here after releasing electron, it is Cu become cation. Now the Cu is going to this side. Cu going to this side. But time salt bridge what it will do? It produces NO3. Now it become neutral. NO3 will come here, it become neutral. Now here AgNO3 onwards, Ag is gaining the electrons. That time NO3 minus will come here. Here positive is produced, here negative is produced. Now this negative one is moving to this movement of anions from this side to this side. Which side to which side? Positive pole to negative pole side. So it is going like this. Suddenly K plus will come here and it is neutralized. If it is K is not there here, this one will come to here. This one will come to here. Okay. Anyway, one place they both will meet. Anyway, the both will meet one place. Okay. So copper rod is producing electrons. Now electrons are moving like this. That time current will go in opposite direction. Conventional current is going opposite direction. This arrow marks. Look at this arrow marks. Electrons are flowing this side to this side, and current is flowing from this side to this side. The salt bridge is neutralizing this one and this one. Okay. The movement of cations, movement of anions are very, very important. This copper cation will produce, silver producing anions. This is cation, this is anion. Now this is electricity. Got it? Voltammeter, ammeter this is. Okay? Now this is the reaction. Now copper losing electrons, silver gaining electrons. Gaining means reduction, losing means oxidation. OR, OA, RC, OA, RC, OA, RC, that full form you have to remember it. OA, RC. Don't forget this. Till electrochemistry, don't forget this. Okay, guys. Now let's take reaction. Now single reaction you write. Cu become Cu plus 2. This one to this one I am writing. Look at here. See, NO3 2 is there, means this one both are same only, right? So it is losing 2 electrons. Now Ag plus 2. Ag plus. So 1, 2 are there. So 2 electrons gaining electrons, it become Ag. See Ag. So here what is oxidation? Here reduction. Oxidation, reduction. Now oxidation at anode, reduction at cathode. That's it. This is the redox reaction. So off oxidation, off oxidation, off reduction, Off oxidation, off reduction, commonly called it is redox. Redox. Got it? This is the topic. And some points I will tell you. Same points, this only. For retain in memory finds, electrode on which oxidation occurs called oxidation at anode at negative pole. This is important. Reduction cathode positive pole. Now electrons flow from anode to cathode, and current flow from cathode to anode. This is the topic. If, for example, first 20 minutes, 25 minutes, if you are not understood anything, just these points remember it. That's enough. These points are enough. This is a little bit confusing only for some students. Okay? This is enough. This is about electrochemical cell. That's it. Now electrolytic cell completed, electrochemical cell completed. Now electrochemical representation and everything is very, very important. Here of problems will begin. But before going to that one, electrolysis and electrochemical differences we have to see. So put the side heading, differences of electrochemical cell and electrolysis cell. Differences between electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell means electrolysis cell, both are same. Electrolytic, electrolysis, both are same. Now electrochemical cell, today's class, first class. It is a device to convert chemical energy into electrical energy. This is in the starting of the topic I said. Okay? Redox reaction taking place, the free energy charges delta G is negative. Remember this. Delta G is negative. Now come to electrolysis cell. This device is converted to electrochemical energy into chemical energy. Okay? This delta G is positive. Delta G is positive. Okay? Electrolysis, electrochemical cell. Important points. Now here it is based upon redox reaction which is spontaneous. Electrochemical cells are spontaneous. This is the spontaneous. These points are very important. That's why I told. Now redox reaction is non-spontaneous, takes place whenever electrical energy is supplied. So in electrolysis we have to supply the electrical energy. Electrical energy we have to supply. But this is automatically will happen. When we dipping into the solutions, it will happen. No need to send any electricity. Sir, what about external? That for testing purpose we have to testing purpose only. Okay. For example, here onwards 0.78 electric volts we are producing. Na? Opposite 1 electric volt we are sending. That way we have to do. It will come in further classes. It will come. And 2 electrodes we are separate in beakers. 2 separate beakers. Here single beaker, that you know. Okay. Spontaneous, non-spontaneous. We are using in 2 separate beakers. It is single same beaker. Okay. two different beakers, only one electrolyte we are taking here. Electrodes taken are in different materials. Means electric rods we are taking zinc and copper. Two different ones we are taking. Silver, zinc, copper. These different things we are taking. The electrodes may be sometimes different. Maybe sometimes same or different. Both we can use it. Both ways we can use it. Okay. Electrode on which oxidation takes place at anode, negative pole, and electrodes on which reduction takes place at cathode. Here which connected to negative terminal battery is called cathode. See that important point they are telling. Quite opposite point is there. Na? The cations migrate it which gain the electrons and hence reduction takes place here, and other electrode is called anode. Okay. That is different sets they are telling, it is explaining here. Once look at that carefully. Okay. So the set of cell salt bridge porous pot is used. Salt bridge we are using in electrochemical cell, but there is no salt bridge in electrolysis. In electrolysis there is no salt bridge used in case. Okay. But here this is going on. Now this is the differences between electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. Now next one, it is representation of electrochemical cell. See this electrochemical cell, for example Daniel cell we are taking, Daniel or whatever it, two different concentration solutions we are taking. For example, one concentration is more, one concentration is less. That how to take, once look at first electrode how to take. Left side what electrode, left beaker, whatever electrode is there, that electrode we have to take, and first single line, and the solution what we taken, ZnSO4 for example, yes, we have to take like this. Zinc rod in zinc sulfate solution we have to take like this. Zinc rod in zinc sulfate solution, whatever it's sulfate or whatever it, that is leave it. Zn+2 only we have to take. Any information, for example concentration is there or not there, we have to take in a bracket. And now salt bridge we represented with two lines. This is not salt bridge, this is salt bridge. Salt bridge represented with two lines. Okay. Now here first solution we have to take now. Now copper sulfate Cu+2 and concentration and any information is there, that information we have to write in a bracket. Copper +2, it is some concentration or whatever it, anything, any information is there, that information we have to take in a bracket here and here. Now next again single line, next copper rod, here copper rod, here zinc rod, here copper solution, here zinc solution. It is salt bridge. Here concentration is there, for example 0.1 mole or 1 mole, whatever it, everything information we have to write C1 C2 place. Okay, left hand side to right hand side. Left hand side zinc and zinc sulfate solution, right hand side copper and copper sulfate solution. This is the way of writing, very very important amma. Now year after you have to write thousands you have to write. Okay, here all problems you have to take like that only. This is the way of writing rule. Okay. Now some more depth manner I will show you. Metal means strong one. Metal. Okay. Now single line, little blur, single line. and metal ion. Metal ion with concentration in the bracket. With concentration, what concentration? 0.15 mole, like this, any 1 mole concentration. Now salt bridge with blurred line, 2 lines, both are same only, upside one only, downside I am showing. It is SB, salt bridge. Now first what will come here? Now it is metal ion will come. Metal ion with some concentration. Now single line again. Now once again metal will come. This is left side, this is right side. This is copper, it is copper ion. This is zinc ion. This is concentration, this is concentration. This is salt bridge. This is salt bridge. Okay, representation of electrochemical cell. Now next, this side, salt bridge with this side, it is anode, so automatically it is cathode. Okay, now here oxidation occurs, here reduction occurs, right? Now this is the left electrode, this is right electrode. Now here what is going on? Here arrow mark 1, arrow mark 2. What arrow mark 1, what arrow mark 2? Now this is flow of electrons. This flow of current. This is the flow of electrons. This is flow of current. So flow of electrons, flow of current. Left to right. Left to right. Got it? Anode, cathode, oxidation, reduction, metal, metal, metal ion, concentration, concentration. Salt bridge, it is separation, salt and separation of metal ion and metal is single line. Very, very important. This cell representation. Now final exam, annual exam, board exam, they will see each and every point, they will see. This bracket is there or not there, the single line, double line, everything they will see. They will put the 2 lines like this. Salt bridge made up of with what, they will ask. Right? KCl, K2SO4 or KNO3. Maximum these 3 only will be there. NH4, NO3 also there. NH4, NO3 also there sometimes. Okay? This is, their ions have almost equal to transport number. So 0.1 they will take. What 0.1? Electrolytes are. Okay, I will tell you later that is. This is the electrochemical representation. Representation. Got it? Now, actually, here what is going on? Where? Here what is going on actually? In the electrodes are there, right? Electrodes. In that electrodes with solution, how it is reacting? How it is reacting? What is going on? We have to see. Okay? Now that topic is called electrode potential. Electrode potential. electrode potential. Now metal rod, simply we can call it metal rod. Understood the concept of electrode potential? Consider a metal rod placed contact with the own ions, Mn plus ions we are taking. Okay. See here, metal rod we are taking into one metal solution we are keeping. So for example, first example you take, first I will write some reactions. M n plus number of ions plus number of electrons equals to m. See, a metal is this is the cation. It is taking number of electrons. Here n, how much will come? For example 2, here 2 electrons will come. Okay. See here, this is the cation. It is lost the electrons before only. Now when it is gaining electrons, it will become neutral. It is gaining of electrons. Gaining of electrons means what? Reduced. Gaining of electrons means reduction. Reduced. Next, one more way. A metal is losing electrons. It is number of electrons. It is loses means oxidized. Here reduced, here oxidized. Means here gaining electrons, here losing electrons. We have to show with electrode potential. Okay. Now take the diagram 1. Take a beaker. See, this is the electrode, this is the solution. Mn plus. This solution, this is metal rod. Got it? See here, what is going on actually? Metal ion being deflected without any charges. For example, this is Mn plus 2, 2 plus is there. For example, 2 plus, Mn 2 plus. Now it is touching this one, reaction also Mn plus 2 only, plus only. Here 2 plus, for example, this is also 2 plus. Without any deflection of charges, it is going on. This is metal rod. Okay? The metal rod is not deflected anything. Okay? Without any charge. Now, next, second beaker you take. This is the metal, zinc rod, whatever it, anyone. Here, Mn plus is converting into M, metal rod, while it is taking electrons. Mn plus is taking electrons and become Mn. This solution is there here, okay? Sorry. Solution. This solution, Mn plus 2 solution is there. For example, whatever Zn plus 2 solution. This is Zn. So, here electrons is gaining and it becomes Zn. Its character I am telling, amma. What metal character I am telling. Sir, how air onwards electrons coming means it is transferring later. That is different. I am not showing full diagram, right? Just what is going on at rods. Rods plus what is going on. Okay? So, Mn solution, inside the solution is there, right? Mn plus 2. Sorry, Mn plus. It is taking electrons and it become M. Okay? See. Next, one more diagram. With this diagram, you will understand everything. Okay, this is M, metal rod with solution is there inside. Now this solution, this electrode, what it will do, it is coming out, it become Mn plus and electrons releases. Here gaining the electrons, it is gaining the electrons and become a metal, but here metal only losing the electrons. So metal rod can reduce and metal rod can oxidize. So Mn plus is reduced. Next here M is oxidized. Where is oxidation going on, where is reduction going on, we have to know. That's why just clarification purpose, electrode potentials I am showing with the diagrams. Electrode potentials I am showing. The rod, see outside solution is taking electron and become a rod, and sometimes rod is losing electron and becomes a solution. In normal language I am telling, solution is taking electron and become a stronger like a rod. Now rod is losing the electron and become like a solution. So when rod is become like a solution, that is called oxidation. When solution is become like a rod, it is called reduction. Okay, it is losing electrons, gaining electrons only, changing the characters of electrodes. Okay, so here solution onwards electrons are gaining and become. So here what will happen after some time, this rod is gain the weight, like this it will weight, how many number of electrons, how much there, like this it will happen. But here what will happen, after some time it is losing electrons, it's totally dissolve. Got it guys? This is reduction potential. Okay, once again revise. For external circuit, for testing this cell, it is zinc sulfate, zinc rod, copper sulfate. This is flow of electrons is quite opposite, current will pass. Okay, AORC, whenever OARC you take AORC, but remember that Zn takes place oxidation and Cu takes place reduction. Zn electrode rich of electrons push the electrons into external circuit. Okay, electrons flow quite opposite, that way is there. This is the flow chart of external and E cell. Okay, next Daniell cell. Daniell cell means what? And a redox reaction between copper and silver nitrate. This is silver nitrate, I explained with the diagram. Okay, these points are very very important, thousand times important. Oxidation at anode, reduction at cathode, negative pole, positive pole, electrons flow from anode to cathode, current flow from cathode to anode. This full chapter, today full chapter is this only. Some students will understand this. And a representation of electrochemical cell. Single cell means, single line means here. This is strong one, right? This is the metal rod, this is solution. Here this layer is there, right? That is single line. This layer is single line, but this one is double line. Salt bridge is double line. This line. Okay, so this is anode, cathode, oxidation, reduction, left electrode, right electrode, flow of electrons, flow of current, and electrode potential M reduction. This is loses and gains. This is the without deflecting, with the deflection, gaining electrons and become metal, and losing electrons and become solution. It is oxidation, it is reduction. This is the chapter. Tomorrow's class, SHE, she, not, it is standard hydrogen electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode. Tomorrow's topic means Friday. Okay. Friday we'll discuss remaining all. Okay guys, take care, bye.